I feel like I could probably go out and fight somebody. I'd probably still get my butt whooped. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Lose Weight Sarah, where I'm on a mission to lose 100 pounds my way. We're still in week 3 of the Sweatember challenge, and you may have noticed that I am doing videos from small YouTubers who are also personal trainers. The video that I'm doing today comes from the channel Fitness with Rebekah, and Rebekah is spelled with a K, and I'm going to link her channel up here. I will also have a link to her channel and the video in the description box, so please head over to her channel and give her a big thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't already. So I have a lot of energy today. I don't know if I'm just like super caffeinated because I drank a lot of coffee, or if there's just, you know, the stars are aligned a certain way, but I needed a challenge today that was going to give me a way to burn off some of this energy. So the video of Rebekah's that I chose today is called Chair Box Tone and Stretch 10-minute Workout, and it looks like it packs a punch. I told you guys I'm hyper. Rebekah's a fitness professional, and she has lots of experience with different type of fitness. So I definitely recommend, like I said, check out her channel, and she also has a really cool website as well. Just a heads up, this workout does require a few things. It requires a chair, obviously, and then a set of dumbbells, but we're gonna get into chair boxing, which is 2 words that I never thought that I would hear in the same sentence, but here we are. So let's go. guys, that workout was freaking awesome. I feel like I could probably go out and fight somebody. I'd probably still get my butt whooped, but you know what? I can hang. Really enjoyed the fast pace of it. So if you're in for like a little bit more of a challenge, highly recommend this video. Took a lot of strength and I definitely felt it in my core for sure. There were a lot of twists and those chair crunches, which were really cool. So yeah, Fitness with Rebekah, and that's Rebekah with a K. Definitely check out her channel. Go find her, subscribe. The link is in the description box below to her channel and to the video that I did. So be sure to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the little bell. That way you can get a notification when I upload my next video. So until next time, I'll see you real soon.